ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೀರಭದ್ರೆಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ನೌಕರರ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ವೀರಭದ್ರೆಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ. VBSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science, a mission with a vision. We are going to start our classes, high school and college going students all over Karnataka. My dear friends, VBSM Academy has a unique educational institution and a coaching center called multi-dimensional training courses have been given. Our VBSM Academy is highly disciplined. Yes, this is the command to my students of Karnataka rural area, particularly to my Gopanhalli students. Come on, dear students, every day please follow up your studies with the following disciplines. Fresh up early in the morning, attend school, respect your teachers and parents by saying good morning. Log on to VBSM Academy, YouTube as well as Facebook. COVID-19 in Karnataka, the second wave is increasing. This is the information on 16th March 2021. So my dear friends, be cautious about your health. Use mask, keep social distance and sanitize your hands periodically. Well, this is the fourth chapter, atomic structure. Atomic structure, we have already explained some of the basic concepts of atomic structure from our institution. Atom consists of electrons, protons and neutrons. The electrons are revolving around the nucleus of an atom and the protons are packed together in the nucleus. My dear friends, before discovery of atom and its constituents or the components or the fundamental particles, which are also called as subatomic particles, there are so many atomic models have been come across in the ancient science, in the field of physics, in the field of chemistry. Out of it, the first one is Bohr's atomic model. Well, my dear friends, Niels Bohr, a great scientist, he was famous for his Bohr's atomic model. He has given many postulates, and these are the important structures, models. Bohr's atomic model. It consists of protons, neutrons, electrons. They were not named on those days, but on those days it has been mentioned. In 1913, Niels Bohr proposed a theory for the hydrogen atom based on a quantum theory. The energy is transferred only in certain well-defined quantities. What is quantum theory? You know, my dear friends, according to science, postulates, theories and all, light is a source of energy, dual nature of light, corpuscular theory and the quantum theory. You know, quantum theory tells about the wave nature of light. Corpuscular theory tells about the corpuscles, rectilinear propagation of light, which is the form of energy. Okay, these are of the remembrance of the scientific concepts and terms in our studies during our science education. Electrons should move around the nucleus, but only prescribed orbits. Bohr's theory could explain why atoms emitted light in fixed wavelengths. Bohr's model consists of small nucleus positively charged at the center of the nucleus, at the center of the atom, surrounded by negative electrons moving around the nucleus in orbits. Bohr found that electron located away from the nucleus has more energy and electrons close to the nucleus have less energy. Postulates of Bohr model of an atom. In an atom, electrons are negatively charged to revolve around the positively charged nucleus in a definite circular path called orbits or shells. Each orbit or shell has a fixed energy, and these circular orbits are known as orbital shells. The energy levels are represented by an integer n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc., known as the quantum number. This range of quantum number starts from nucleus side with n is equal to 1 having the lowest energy level, the orbit n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and assigned as the K, L, M, N, O, P, which are called the principal orbitals of the atomic structure. The electrons in an atom move from lower energy level to higher energy level by gaining the required energy, and an electron moves from higher energy level to lower energy level by losing energy. See how this is the how it loses the energy and it reaches to the, this is the innermost orbital, this is the outermost orbital, the energy, how the activity of the energy in the atomic model is. You can observe the light carefully. Limitations of Bohr's model of an atom is very important for the examination point of view. Bohr model of an atom failed to explain the Zeeman effect, magnetic effect, or a magnetic field on the spectra of atoms. It violates the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It could not explain the spectra obtained from larger atoms. My dear students, these are the higher physics or the modern physics we will discuss later in the forthcoming classes for the collegiate education. Thank you for listening. Like, share and subscribe. This is VBSM Academy. Please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. Thank you. See you again in the next class.